Welcome to Ev's Shed. Just got my hands on some beautiful hardwood timber palings. Thought, why not make some crates? Let's put the longest pieces together. To hold our crate together, I'm just using some cheap pine timber, 25 by 19 mil wide, and I've got some braiding nails, some fixing nails. Got this little air compressor nail gun, which I'll use. I place the pine underneath our timber palings, square it up, and just shoot a couple of nails in there. Now, I want a nice gap between the two palings, so I use the 19 mil spacer, and that's the gap I want. Square it up, shoot a couple of nails in there. Done. That's my first side. Let's make some more. Got the two sides made up. Now let's make the box. Got my speed square, just to make sure everything is nicely squared up. Do the same on the other side. Now let's do the other side. Tops up, use my spacer, That's our box done. That's our box done. Now let's do the base. With the bottom, I've got some narrower timbers, and we just space them evenly. Like so, and nail it in. And that's our box done. I've recycled all the fence palings and made these beautiful rustic boxes. Thanks for watching Ev's Shed. Catch you later.
If you've enjoyed what you've seen, please hit the like button and also subscribe to Ev's Shed.